So right now I'm going to go ahead and get my can of butter ready for the brownie recipe that I'm going to do later. This is a Mota pot. It is a pressurized cooker. I'm going to do a stick and a half of butter because I did 10 G's. So you're just going to put it in the bottom of the pot very carefully. You want to make sure it all fits in there. I'm doing a little bit at a time. And then I don't want to get my hands very buttery because I got an appointment to go to. So I'm going to go ahead and get the zippy bag and put it around my fingers and just mush it in there. Hey, you know what else works? Gloves. If you have gloves, they would be great for this. I just happen to not have any on hand at this moment. But this works good, you know. We substitute where we can. So you're mushing it down in there as far as it'll go, but not too packed. Just enough for it to be on the bottom, right? And then you're going to take water. I'm using bottled water because I want it to be good. All right, and just up to that, not all the way to the top, just to the bottom of where it screws in. That seal you just saw is going to seal it in. So it pressurizes and infuses with that flour. Now you're going to take the little filter and you're going to fill it up with your flour. And a really good thing about this is when you pour it out, you're not going to have to strain it because the flour is not going to be in there. Simple as that. All right, you're going to go ahead and, we decarbed this last night. You can go watch that video if you want to see how it's decarbed. You got to decarb it before you make butter. All right, we just screw on the top. You're going to want to make sure that that flour bucket is all the way down in that butter. You're going to turn it on. When it starts bubbling, you'll see steam come out of that little nozzle there. And then you're going to set it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to go check it. Now, your house is going to fill up with this. Okay, be prepared. If you have any kind of allergies, be prepared. All right, you just pour it out. You let it cool. When all the fat gets congealed on the top, you pour off the liquid, and that's what you use. Now, if you want to see what that looks like, go watch my YouTube video on THC-infused brownies. It's going to be up this evening. And you stick that in the freezer till you get that congealed, and then you're going to pour the watery stuff off. Look, my eyes are watering. Oh, my allergies. All right, go watch my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.